Hello, and you are welcome. Top of the hour to you wherever you are or whatever time you are watching and listening to this. You are welcome to this training course A to Z on reselling data bundles to all network in Nigeria using only one founded account by Ijapari Gang. My name is Ijapari Gang, the Mom on Point. I'm the founder of Mom on Point Internet Business Academy and momonpointblog.com, where you will see different articles about stay-home jobs and about internet business. You can start right from your comfort zone or from your kitchen table. Yes, I don't want to bore you with so many information. At least if you are watching this training course, that means you would have gone through this ebook. Yes, so I don't want to bore you with that. I want to go straight to the point. Yes, so right now, if for you to register, all you need to do is go to step one. That's visit mobile.ng blah blah blah. That's where I'm clicking now and click on open. It will take you direct to the website where you are going to register and have full access to all the things you need to do on data sharing. Apart from data sharing, there is a lot more that you can do in this website with just one founded account. But I don't want to promise you all that. Let's do the real thing, that the reason why we are here, isn't it? Yes, so if you have come to this place, you cannot log in, isn't it? Because you have not registered yet. So all you need to do is to fill in this form. Let's assume that I'm a new person now and I'm registering. You click and enter your first name. My name is Ijaperi. Ijaperi means what God has beautifully created. Ijaperi. Then my surname is Yang. Ijaperi Yang. Then phone number. Please put your active phone number because it's very important that you use the phone number, because any phone number you use to register is going to help you in the future. I'm going to talk about this phone number later, but right now, in fact, if you are taking this training course, that means you should have access to my number, right? 355945885. That is my phone number. Right now, you can use it to call me in case you need more information. Yes, so then you select state. Selected, I'm from Adamawa State, but I'm not going to put Adamawa because I'm not living in Adamawa. So it's best if you put your residential state where you are living. Then username, my username Mokiba. Yes, that's Mom on Point Internet Business Academy. You can select any username you want to use to log in. Then email address. Please try as much as you can to use your active email address. Let me use one of my email address. I have a lot, but let me use this ijaperigang@gmail.com, right? Then where did you hear about us? Where did you hear? You can put friend or others, anyone. Then for your password, please, it is very important. Don't use your phone number as your password. Not only here, I'm just talking about generally, because as an internet business coach, I know a lot of things that is happening in the cyberspace. So please, in everything you do these days, don't use your phone number as your password, because a lot of people can predict that. So you should type any password that you know, at least a bit complicated, and something you can remember. Then you click on register. I'm not going to click on register right now because I have already registered, isn't it? So once you click on register, you receive a message telling you that you have successfully registered to Mobile Ninja. So you will now go back to the ebook again and use the same link that will bring you back to this place. So you will now log in. Let's say like me now, I can log in Mopiba, right? Then password. I will not type my password. I have copied and pasted it. So it has already been copied before I started this. Then you now log in immediately. Yes. So it will take you to this place. You just say okay, and then that means you are going directly to your dashboard. Meanwhile, immediately you register. The reason why, even from the ebook, I said you can use even 1,000 or 2,000 naira to start the business is because whatsoever you have in your account, you can use it to do anything at all that is in this menu. So like me right now, what is remaining in my account is 2,222 naira, isn't it? Even if it is 500 naira I put in, I can use it to either buy that data of maybe 200 naira, or even do bulk SMS or anything. It depends on the gravity or the momentum of what you want to use it for, isn't it? So that is that for now. So once you have successfully registered, the next thing you should do is to fund your wallet account. You need to fund your wallet account. You can click on fund wallet, but I do advise that once you register, you should pay to the account, as in directly to the account. You must not use this fund your wallet, but it's still okay. But I would rather tell you what I do that is very easy and very reliable, and it's, as an internet business coach and a stay-home job, a stay-home mom. So anything I do, I rather prefer the one that I can do from my comfort zone, isn't it? So like me, I prefer using internet banking. I bank with GT. Yes, I bank with GTB, and with this website in particular, they have about 11 or 12 bank accounts. They operate in almost all the banks in Nigeria. So you can do internet banking, as in, because when I do GT to GT, they don't have to charge me on anything. So I can directly transfer from my account to this account without being charged a dime. You know why? In this business, even 1 naira or 5 naira or 2 naira, it is important, because with that one naira, by the time you put it together, it will take you to 10 naira, from 10 naira to 20 naira. As my coach will always say, yes, it is important. Don't neglect any little amount of money at all. So by the time you fund your wallet, like me, and then the reason why I said you should use your active phone number is that by the time you are doing the mobile banking transfer, you can now add your phone number as a remark. Let me show you. If you are using GT, okay, I think that one has gone. If you are using GT, it will take you to a place. There's a place like this that you will fill in. So, as in this remark, you should type in your phone number, the phone number you use in registering while you are opening your account. You know why? If you put that phone number here, immediately you make your payment, the money will reflect instantly without delay, as in that same minute. So I have a friend that when I put her through, she doesn't even have money to do the business. But you know what she do? When people want to buy, they will send it to her account. She will now quickly transfer the money to her wallet account and then send data to them. So that's how she started, and she's doing well right now. So that is why I said it's good for you to use your active phone number. It mustn't be the phone number you use for opening your account number, as in receiving alert, but it must be the number you use in registering for this mobile Nigeria account. I hope I'm clear on that. I hope I'm not confusing you. So it is important you do that. Okay, it's taking me back again. Okay, it's good that you do that. So after that, and in case as time goes on, this is my own account manager. In case you have any issue, once you have registered, you will be connected to a account manager, which they will give you the person's number in case of any difficulty, of which I have never experienced any since I started. So you can WhatsApp the person or anything at all. That is in case of customer care or any other thing. So that is why I said it is important you use your phone number. So let's go direct to the business, isn't it? So by the time you fund your account, you'll be charged only 100 naira for once in lifetime, as in nobody will charge you anything again for being a registered member on this site. Only 100 naira. So by the time you register with 100 naira, then all you need to do is that you go to menu bar, this menu here, you click on menu. Okay. When you click on menu, let's assume that you want to send data to, so if somebody wants to buy data, you click on data menu, then you click on buy data. By the time you click on buy data, it will take you to a place where you click and select the network. That is all you need to do. If it is mobile, if it is 9 Mobile, Airtel, Glo, let me assume that it's MTN, then you click on the select the plan, and the person wants to buy 1 GB. That means you are buying 1 GB from this side at 550 naira. Yes, I don't want to talk about pricing because I've already talked about pricing in the ebook. So what you need to do, please, here is very important. If you mistakenly put any other person's phone number, you definitely know that you are losing. So what I do is I always copy and paste. I always copy and paste, please. So try as much as you can to do that, and then click on buy data. Voila, the person have received his data. So that's that about buying data to all the network, or to all the 4 major networks. You can as well do Bitcoin. I don't do Bitcoin for now, so I cannot tell you what I'm not doing. Then I can't teach you what I don't know, rather. So then the next one is bulk SMS. If you want to say do a bulk SMS, you will now click on compose message. Yes, compose SMS. So you can also do that like me. For this bulk SMS, I already have like about 3 groups right now that I do send them. I do send bulk SMS to their members, be it women convention as a women group in the church, or maybe you are in 1 or 2 village meeting. You know all these village meeting now. What happened? Okay. Let me click again. The network in my place is fluctuating. Meanwhile, let me just go to airtime first. So let's assume that you want to buy airtime. Like me now, even if it's 100 naira airtime, I don't go out there to buy, because it's better I buy it at 97 or 94 naira rather. You click on the network, then you type in the phone number, and then type in the amount and buy airtime. Like me, I also sell airtime, especially my husband's office. Have already advertised my business as a businesswoman, and in his office they used to buy big airtime, 2,000, 1,500. The minimum is 500, and it's very rare. So I do sell data, and I do sell airtime to them as well. Yes, so even paying of bill, you can pay bills with it. You can click pay bills. So when you click on pay bills, you now click on select service. You can click, okay, like me, I use DSTV. Then it will now ask you to select which of the DSTV. I do subscribe for DSTV family. Then you put in the smart card number of the person or your own, and click on confirm customer. So let me try that bulk SMS again. So bulk SMS, you click on compose SMS. Good, the network is better now. So in this compose SMS, you click on the ID, that's you as the person that is sending, and let me say, if I put in that it's me, that 35594585, and then the recipient, like me, I always copy it and paste it. I have it in my notepad. I'll just copy and paste all the groups that I've gotten. They have given me their phone number. I always go and edit that if they have given me more. So let's say, for instance, is that I will just type 477 blah blah blah, and then put comma, and then put another number. You will just use comma to separate as many number that you want to send the bulk SMS to. This is simple, so I will not waste time. Then you now compose the message. Let me say hello or good day or whatever. There is going to be meeting at the residence of the GO or the secretary, blah blah blah. That is all you need to do, and then you send in the SMS. That is that. As in this side, I'm just showing you. I'm just showing you just few out of it. There is a lot of things you can do with this side. All you need to do is to register. Once you register and they charge you 100 naira, and then you can be sending money from your bank account to your wallet account, and the amount that is in your wallet account, like let me say any amount that is in your wallet account, you can use it to do anything in this site. Let me take that again. Any amount that is in your wallet account, you can use it in as much as it's not less than what you want to use it for. Am I clear on this? So that is all you need in this training course. At least now you know that you know how to register and you know how to make use of it for now. So this is what I want to share with you right now. Yes, I am an internet business coach, just as I've said earlier. You can have me work with you one-on-one, or you can join one of my coaching program. I have ebook also on how to start, grow, and make profit from online business, even from scratch. I have another ebook. I've written ebook on how to take your big idea off the ground. I also train people on writing and publishing ebook. If you are watching this training course, that means you have access to this ebook, and that means you have paid me money for it. So if you want to learn how you can put information together like this and get people to buy from you and so on and so forth, you can get to me and you can take one of my training courses, either writing and publishing ebook, or how to become a virtual assistant, or the dropshipping business, and so on and so forth. You can connect with me on Facebook, Ijapari Gang, or you can join my community where you learn more about the internet business in general, and you'll be updated and motivated. You can, on Facebook, you can join the community, Mom on Point Internet Business Community. If you search it on Facebook, you will see. Or you can go ahead and like my fan page, Mom on Point blog fan page on Facebook, where you will be updated frequently on internet business and much more. And that's what I want to share with you right now. Yes, I hope you have learned. And in case you have questions, definitely if you are taking the training course, that means there's going to be time for question and answer later, which I always communicate with my students on when I'm going to take question and answer, should in case there's any. But for now, all I have to say is good luck and wish you all the best in making money via internet, or for your data sharing business, or maybe you might even go into Bitcoin, and I'm going to learn from you about that, gift cards, airtime, pay bills, and so on and so forth. Remain blessed.